West and South Street. Let me tell you about this street. Does the address where you live? You know them deprive the poor though. The struggle is real. Who knows it feel? Enough things are revealed. Them all for themselves. Them alone want them me.
Yo, dance guy.
From me born when me notice. Them fight the poor, yeah me know this. Now how we make it but a sureness. Cause we heart full of pureness. Yo, where we want couldn't afford it. No, Coop and Benz, yo afford this. Yo, I tour this. The girl they know what tour like a tourist. Never what we make it, but if you watch you set it. Goals and dreams go out, they go take it. Me do the mathematics, two of them set them ethics. Hold on the poor when you check the logics. They never what we make it, but if you watch you take it. Goals and dreams go out, they go set it. Me can't chat to you, don't it again. Level me. Really and truly, them not really want we money up. Good school can send we kids them while them growing up. Hold we head up till them and we hold we down, you know. No ambitious, know that we know, you know. Get up, use Jaja. We do this to me today on a new song. Oh my God. Jaja. Jaja, real flavor, it's so nice.
Real flavor, big up yourself. I mean, tell me somebody, what you talking about? Confident, big up yourself. I mean, the man say song new, you know. 100% talent show this. Big up yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to hear what the judges them have to say. Because you know it go. The man say a new song, so you know it go. Alright, so Ara General, we're starting with you.
Yeah, real flavor. You know the thing go. Big song, but you just never deliver properly today. You over the me I deal with, so with all said and done, you know the me I give you a 6. You see me I deal with. Already.
Alright, thank you for that, Ara. Lady Tash, what do you think about real flavor? What do you think about that song there?
Real flavor. I know you have some real flavor. You understand? I give it a 5. Alright?
Alright, thank you, Lady Tash, for that one. Counselor Edwards.
I know you from a very long time. And I know you have more in you. And I was looking for a better delivery.
Take down the beat.
You know, but for some strange reason, you fell off. And you were a bit off key as well. You know, so I give you a 6.
Alright, no problem.
I'll give you a 5 for your effort because we know your capability and stuff like that. We know your potential is like. So we know say just one of those days. I'll give you a 5. Yes.
Alright.
Alright, it's a 6 for me. It's a 6 for me. Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself. What you mean? Real flavor. Big up yourself. What we do? Next time you come in bigger and better and stronger and excited.